Hi everyone, welcome back! Want to give your Windows 11 desktop a clean and organized look by hiding those cluttered icons? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to hide and bring them back whenever you want. Let's jump right in. First off, to hide all those icons cluttering your desktop, simply right-click anywhere on the desktop and a menu will pop up. Now, hover your cursor over View and watch as more options appear before your eyes. Next, just click on Show Desktop Icons, and that's it, your desktop is now free of all those distracting icons. Pretty cool, right? But hey, if you miss seeing your icons, no problem. Just right-click on the desktop once more, and that similar menu will pop up again. Now, hover over View once more and click on Show Desktop Icons again. And just like that, the icons are back where they belong. And that's all there is to it. Now, you know how to easily hide or unhide desktop icons in Windows 11 with just a couple of clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.